Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade lemonade. To begin, you will need a few simple ingredients and tools. Gather about 6 to 8 fresh, ripe lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. You will also need a citrus juicer, a large pitcher, and a sturdy stirring spoon to combine everything. First, prepare your lemons for juicing. Roll each lemon firmly on a countertop to help release its juices, then cut them in half. Using a citrus juicer, extract all the juice from the lemon halves. You should aim for approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, which typically comes from about 6 to 8 medium-sized lemons. Next, we will create a simple syrup to sweeten our lemonade. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It is crucial to let this simple syrup cool down entirely before you add it to the lemon juice. Finally, it is time to combine everything and enjoy your refreshing drink. Pour the fresh lemon juice and the completely cooled simple syrup into your large pitcher. Then, add 3 cups of cold water to achieve the perfect balance of tartness and sweetness. Stir everything together very well, serve over plenty of ice, and garnish with a fresh lemon slice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.